Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Jackson 30-2671-628. This is a cylinder dogging kit in satin aluminum finish that's going to work with their 2085, their 2086, 2095, all C version of their panic exit devices. There is a certain amount of frustration that I have had to encounter with C.R. Laurence on getting the information for this cylinder dogging kit. Can't tell me what's in it, can't provide a bill of materials of what's in it, impossible to know. The image, the very image, and I rarely complain, but the very image that they provide is either old, outdated, incomplete, or just wrong. There is a link below this video to a document called, which is a somewhat handy document because it will show you many of the parts that you're going to encounter in a standard 2085 device. The problem with that is it does not list what you need for the cylinder dogging kit, the 30-2671. It had resorted to me actually getting my hands on one so that I could, video what the components are. Because there's a lack of published data that I have been sent after multiple requests, this is all we're working with. I believe this to have been I'm trying to see the part. This might have been called the cylinder dogging bracket. This may have been a 30-1196. And this is included in the package. Okay. Yeah, this may be a dogging bracket. This might have been the 30-1196, which you can locate through potentially coming in contact with an old parts drawing of a list of the material. Anyway, so I'm going to go with cylinder dogging bracket. You're going to get the angle bracket that's here. You're going to get a total of 4 machine screws. They're all going to look like this. You're going to get some collars and rings, 3 of them, and those are listed in the original image. Okay. You will get a spring, 2 bushings, a cylinder nut, and then a quite unique tailpiece specific to a 30-2671. So from what I can tell, and based on my experience, you're getting everything except the mortise cylinder. Okay, so that's the components of this item. Hopefully it will help you determine if it has everything that you need in the face of the fact that C.R. Laurence is not able to tell us what's included, which I regret being the fact of the matter. Should C.R. Laurence ever see this video, it would be nice to have a bill of materials for this kit so that people who are building engineers, locksmiths, people charged with the responsibility to install the material can adequately determine what needs to be replaced and order those pieces. In spite of this, I am partial to Jackson products owned by C.R. Laurence. Good quality material, stands the test of time, etc. Availability of replacement parts. So much of that is still very much something that I would use as an advantage to suggest that someone consider Jackson items. There's a link below this video to a document, to the manufacturer's page, and that's handy because it has some old Jackson catalog information, which is not always easy to find. You might find information there on closers, on pivots that might be hard to otherwise determine. There's a link to what's called the parts price list, and that document is years old, I don't know how many years old, but it's not new, and that is handy to allow you to at least do some sort of historical work. This document is so old that I have found it difficult to take an old part number and then convert that to either what it is now, or even in the event of having it identified by C.R. Lawrence. But it's a handy place to start. My name is Rich, owner of Architectural Builders. If you have any questions that I can attempt to answer one way or another on the 30-2671, 628, it's certainly available in the dark bronze finish as well, or any other Jackson/C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.